Can I talk to you? Huh? Did you eat Snow's food? Ah, you're annoying. Did you eat the food of Snowy? Ah, you are shy, huh? Because you eat the food of Snowy? Now Snowy don't have food now. You eat all. I give you half for Snowy and for you. Why you take it all? Huh? Now you have a guts to face me. Huh? Leo? You have the guts to face me. Accept it. Right? Leo? Leo, did you eat the food of Snowy? Just tell me. Don't be shy. Be honest with me, baby. Baby, you? You eat all? Why you didn't give us some of Snowy? Now Snowy don't have food. Oh, what happened? You're like a victim, huh? I told you that don't touch the food of Snowy. Now you're ignoring me because you are at fault. Say sorry to me. Sorry, Snowy. Sorry, Amy. I am wrong. I will not do it again. Yala, tell me na. You're angry? You're so cute. I love you, Leo and Snowy. There, now Snowy is there. He did not eat because of Leo's craziness. Next time, don't eat for Snowy's food, ah. Hey, I'm talking to you.